What it do? Just Win Baby A1A with some Panini Contenders 2021. Looking for LaMelo Ball, Anthony Edwards, all the hop draft picks. You can find green shimmer autographs. So let's go. Got 2 packs. That's it. We're gonna break something though. Let's get it. Everything sold out everywhere. We're going to start off the pack with Drew Holiday, Jimmy Butler, Kevin Love, RJ Barrett, Anthony Davis, Carmelo Anthony, Devin Booker, Kevin Durant, JJ Redick, Bradley Beal, Chris Middleton, Joel Embiid, and we got a Mike Bibby winning ticket. We got a winning ticket. Killian Hayes. Panini Contender mascot. Dating. Are you good? We got a Kevin Love again. Jason Tatum. Blue Devils. And Donovan Mitchell. All right, get into it. Next pack. Let's go. Just Win Baby 818. Jaylen Brown. Jaren Jackson Jr. Damian Lillard. Zach LaVine. Russell Westbrook. Chris Paul, Rui Hachimura, Kawhi Leonard, Zion Williamson, LaMarcus Aldridge, Donovan Mitchell, Blake Griffin, David Robinson. Whoa, that's the guy we were looking for. Anthony Edwards, Georgia Bulldogs. Nice. Winning ticket, JJ Redick. Front row. Onyeka Okongwu. DeAndre Ayton, and Klay Thompson. We got these 2 draft prospects, possibly the #1 overall pick. Who do you think will have a better career? Year 1. Who have a better year 1 and who will have the better long run career? Drop a comment, like, and subscribe. Just Win Baby came at you this time with the Panini Contenders 21. Gonna be back at it with some more mosaics, some more absolute, some more basketball mosaic. Stay tuned. Turn on the notifications. Like the video. Subscribe if you're not already. Let's get it. Just Win, baby.